Hi guys, I am Premjit Kumar. I am from Vijayawada for learning the Generative AI course. And here is the some of the Python basics project I have done. Doctor appointment management system for booking the doctor appointment for the patients. Here is the simple appointment booking built with Python and radio. Users can book, view, and cancel doctor appointments. Appointments are stored in district dictionaries. Here is the key features: book new appointments, prevent double bookings for same doctor, date and time, view all scheduled appointments, and cancel appointments by patient name. Here are the key features: patient name, select doctor, and view appointments and cancel patients. The backend structure is I have created here three functions that are book appointment, view appointments, cancel appointments. Here these functions handle the here are the front end layout. There are three tabs. One is book appointment, and second one is view appointments. Third one is cancel appointments. Buttons click to backend functions. The system flow is user credential tab, enter data, backend checks for conflicts. Appointment saved or rejected, user can view or delete it. Here in the UI, we can enter the detail. We can select the doctor line DI 2025, 11/1, 20. For 10. After clicking the booking appointment, we can see the booking status and we can view appointments. All the view appointments are there. Here we can see the Premjit Kumar with Dr. Vijay at 20/11/2025 at 10 a.m. For cancel appointments, we can enter the patient name like Kumar and cancel appointment. Taken appointment for Premjit Kumar cancel successfully. With the code structure, we can save the appointments as list and booking appointment doctor. We can pass the variables like name, doctor. For appointments for doctor, date and time, we can select the slot. Here is the view appointments. We can after clicking the view appointments button, we can share the all the appointments that are booked. Cancel appointments, we can take the patient name, and for the patient name, we have cancel the appointment. Here is the the UI structure for that using radio. We can view the some of the doctors' name like Sharan, Kishore, Vineet, and Vijay. We can select the doctors. Here is the cancel button, view appointments button. Here is the backend buttons that are being timed.